Hey, Silver Fox Nation. It's the Silver Fox here. Hey, welcome back. This is my second attempt at making this vehicle whole and fully functional. As you know, in a separate video, I have replaced this entire engine and put a new 80 grand or 80,000 mile motor in it. So that was about $7,000. But today I'm speaking about safety as well as how to save $40 in winter weather so you don't have to be like me and replace washer spraying nozzles. And so the first thing you're going to do, which I've already done, but can't really do it with two hands here. Also, I'm still sick, guys, so just want to let you know I'm still trying my best for you. So open the hood there, right? Honda Odyssey. And then you're going to this washer fluid here. And during the summertime, most places only sell the 32 degree and above. And Utah hasn't had a really cold snap until this week, ironically. This was our first really good snowfall, if you can see there. So what you want to do is swap the 32 degree out for the negative 20 or the negative, I think there's another one, 25. And there's two ways to do that. You can siphon it with one of those gas hand pumps from Harbor Freight. I think they're $7-10. Or the other way is to basically use that selector switch to turn the washer fluid on and basically just run it. Don't run it too long empty because you could mess up the gears and stuff in there because there's a little motor. And don't forget your rear washer fluid too. And basically hit that till it's empty, and then you want to refill this with your winter, because if you do 32 degree and it gets below that temperature, I've actually had my dad, who's rest his soul, bless his soul actually, he actually still does he runs 32 degree washer fluid even in the wintertime in Minnesota. So he's actually had his entire bottle frozen before, and I'm sure this year he didn't do it either. So there's a safety hazard of basically here's your washer line that goes to the nozzles. This can freeze over, so if you're on the highway and you can't use your washer fluid, that's a safety issue. But one thing that happened to me, so I cleared it, I put in new washer fluid, and I primed the lines, and there must have been a little bit of residual. But yesterday I was driving the car, and this nozzle didn't work, and then this nozzle was only partially working. And the reason is, and I got this trusty, look, Honda is really good to me. You see that? It's completely sheared off. This was the completely broken one. So either there was some moisture in there or something, some water, I don't know, or maybe some 32 degree fluid that was left over even after I primed it. But yeah, this one completely busted off, and that one really wasn't working. It might have been frozen or something. So you can prevent basically a $41 repair if you change your washer fluid. And you can also be extra safe. So I'm changing these out in a new video, and I'll tell you the products or the item codes for the Honda parts in the next video. And drive safe, guys. Make sure to change your fluid, okay? Deuces. See ya.